Today we are going to learn a new concept, that is opposite ray. Now the name only tell that what is opposite ray. See here, I have written the definition of opposite ray. Two rays which have a common origin, दो रेस जिसका ओरिजिन कॉमन होता है एंड फॉर्म अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, it will form a straight line, they are said to be opposite ray. They are what said to be an opposite ray. For example, I will show you the diagram. Through that diagram you can understood what is opposite ray. Now here I have drawn a ray. I have written here name A, B, C. This is my first ray, and here I have made another ray P, Q, R. Now there are two rays, A B C and another is P Q R. Now in these two rays, now first figure, this first figure and this is our second figure. Now we are going to identify the ray in this figure. Now in first figure, what is the name of the ray? Can you write in the chat box? What is the name of the ray? I'll explain you ray, points. So in the first figure, what is the name of the ray? Yes, very good. Yes, ray. No Radhika, no Fahad, no. I ask ray. Ray कैसा होता है? I have explained you the ray also. No Kushagra. Yes, Vaishnavi, she has given the right answer. No Arohi. Now ray I told. Yes, Sad also given right. Ray means this is the figure of ray. Yes, so यहाँ पे कौन सा रे है? रे सी ए, दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट रे, एंड रे सी बी, दिस इज आवर सेकेंड रे. एंड ये जो सी है, सी क्या है? हमारा कॉमन है, बिकॉज ए के साथ भी सी है एंड बी के साथ भी सी है. सो दिस सी इज आवर कॉमन ओरिजिन. नाउ इन यू कैन सी दिस फिगर. नाउ ये फिगर का नाम क्या हो सकता है? व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस फिगर? Which type of angle it is? Which type of angle it is? Yeah, it is looking like an acute angle. It is looking like an acute angle. If इसका जरा मैंने लेंथ बढ़ा दिया तो इट विल लुक लाइक एन ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. हाँ, इट इज नाउ इट इज लुकिंग लाइक एन एक्यूट एंगल. द नेम ऑफ द रे इज सी ए एंड सी बी. हियर कॉमन इज सी. Now in the second figure, what is the name of the ray? In the second figure, what is the name of the ray? Yes, ray RP and ray RQ. यहाँ पे दो नाम है रे का, रे RP and ray RQ. Clear? Now the second figure is showing which type of angle? Second figure is showing which type of angle? Very good. It is showing straight angle. Straight angle I have explained you. देखो arrow बता के बताया है straight angle. Now what is the measure of straight angle? याद करो second chapter. What is the measure of straight angle? Very good. The measure of straight angle is 180 degree. So here in this two figure, what we observe, in first figure it is an acute angle and in second figure it is a straight angle. यहाँ पे common है C. In the second figure the common origin is our R. So how you will identify that this is an opposite ray? So the definition of opposite rays are when two rays which have a common origin and form a straight line. स्ट्रेट लाइन होता है उसको बोलते हैं opposite ray. So the first figure is not an opposite ray. The second figure is an opposite ray because there are two rays which have a common origin and it is formed by a straight line. So this is called as opposite ray. So that's why I have shown you difference between two rays. Now in the first figure, it is an acute angle. It is not in a straight line. फर्स्ट फिगर में स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं है, दो रेज है एंड कॉमन ओरिजिन भी है, बट इट इज नॉट अ स्ट्रेट. So this is not a opposite ray. But in second figure, there are two rays and a common origin also, but it form in a straight line. वो straight है, so it is a opposite ray. I hope you people have get a clear idea what is opposite angle. So write down the definition of opposite ray in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute and draw this figure also. Figure should be drawn with a pencil. Write down the definition and figure also, the diagram also of the opposite ray. Very good. You people have done okay. Now we will start with our practice set 18. Now in practice set 18, you are going to write the pairs of the opposite angle. What you are going to write it down? You are going to write down the pairs of the opposite side. Now first question is, name the pair of opposite ray in the figure alongside. Now here in this figure you have to say what are the pairs of opposite ray. Opposite ray, now only I told you, having two rays with a common origin and it form a straight line. So in this figure, now you are going to tell me the name of the opposite ray. What is our first opposite ray? Very good. Pairs चाहिए, हाँ, pairs means जोड़ी चाहिए मुझे उसके साथ. Alone, I don't want alone answer. I want the pair answer. Very good. The first answer is ray. See, you have to write the ray also. If you write only the PL or PM, it is wrong answer. So you have to mention a proper answer, that is ray PL. See this, ray PL and ray PM is the opposite ray. Now PL and PM having the common origin. What is the name of that common origin? Yes, very good. P is the common origin. Now this is our first answer. There are two ray. The first हमको मिला ray PL and ray PM. Now what is our second ray? Name of the pair of the opposite ray. Very nice. The second one is PN and PT. Ray PN and ray PT. Now here which one is the origin? Common origin क्या है इसमें? Very good. Common origin is P only. So there are two answer which we got from first question, that is ray PM and ray PL, and second one is ray PN and ray PT. So here we'll just check the answer which you people have given to me. Is it right or wrong? See, ray PL and ray PM and ray PN and ray PT is the right answer, is the opposite ray of the figures given below. Clear? Now our second question. Now second question is what? Just listen it properly. From that only you will understood what will be the answer of the second question. See, are the ray PM and PT. Now I'll show you the figure so that you will tell me. If you are going to see the answer, you are going to tell me that same answer only. Now I want answers from your side. I'll read the question. Are the ray PM? Now this is ray PM. ये रे PM है and ray PT. PT. This is ray PT. Opposite ray. Give reason for your answer. See, I ask you PM and PT. They are opposite ray. Yes or no? No. Okay. So students are giving answer no. But reason? What is the reason why it is not an opposite ray? You given no. Acha, no hai because it is not a opposite ray. But why? Give me the reason why it is not an opposite ray. Very good. Because yeah, they are not forming a straight line. Straight line अगर होता है तो ही उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Opposite ray. Very nice. Students are giving me right answer. They are not forming a straight line. Now which type of angle it is form? ये कौन सा एंगल फॉर्म किया है? Very good. It is forming as an acute angle. But what is our definition of opposite ray? That opposite ray having two rays common origin, but it is forming in a straight line. So that's why you people have given me the right answer. That is, it is not an opposite ray because it doesn't form a straight line. Now we'll check our answer through the answers which I have written over here. See, no, ray PM and ray PT do not form a straight line and hence they are not opposite ray. Chalo, that means you people also given right answer. Write down in your notebook or in your workbook. I have given you 1 minute only. Within 1 minute you have to complete it. Huh? Now the next topic what we are going to learn is angle in a linear pair. Now what is angle in a linear pair? First we have to understand it. The sum of the measure of angle in a linear pair is 180 degree. Now angle in a linear pair का measures कितना होता है? 180 degree. 180 degree is the measure of which angle also? 180 degree is the measure of which angle? Yes, it is also the measure of a supplementary angle. Yeah, it is also a measure of a supplementary angle also. Okay. So here also angle in a linear pair is always a supplementary angle. Angle in a linear pair का measures कितना होता है? 180 degree. That means angle in a linear pair is a supplementary angle. Now let us see what is the definition of angle in a linear pair. With the help of diagram, I am going to explain you what is angle in a linear pair. Now you can see over here in this two figure. In this two figure, there is a straight angle, straight line hai. Then one arm is there. See, this is straight line. This is one common arm. ये common arm है. Now the definition of angle in a linear pair is angle with a common arm. ये common arm है, A के साथ भी है और B के साथ भी है. That means it is having a common arm whose other arm form a straight line. This is our another arm and it is forming in a straight line. See, this is forming in a straight line are said to be angle in a linear pair. Angle in a linear pair means what? It is having a common arm. ये हमारा common arm है, and whose other arm? ये दूसरा arm. ये यहाँ इस common arm का ये एक arm है और इस common arm का ये एक arm है. ये दोनों मिलके क्या बनते हैं? It is making a straight line. So this is called as angle in a linear pair. Angle in a linear pair means what? Having, see, this is one line, this is our arm, common arm, जो मेरा P के साथ भी है और जो मेरा Q के साथ भी है. अगर मैंने इसको देखा तो यहाँ से अदर आर्म आता है, अगर मैंने P को देखा तो यहाँ से एक अदर आर्म आता है. बट व्हाट दे मेक अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एन एंगल इन अ लीनियर पेयर. एंड एंगल इन अ लीनियर पेयर का मेजर कितना होता है? 180 डिग्री. व्हाई? बिकॉज स्ट्रेट एंगल का मेजर कितना है? 180 डिग्री. दिस वी हैव लर्न नाउ आल्सो that the measure of the straight angle is 180 degree. 180 means if this is 60 degree, if that is 60 degree, so other angle will be how much? What will be the other angle? If this is 60 degree and this will be how much degree? Very good. This must be 120 degree. So when we combine 60 and 120, it will become 180 only. So the angle in a linear pair is always a supplementary angle. That means the measure of the angle in a linear pair, is always 180 degree. So आपको क्या याद करना है? What is angle in a linear pair? First, that the sum of the measure, उसका measures कितना होता है? 180 डिग्री. सेकेंड, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? उसको हम सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल भी बोलते हैं. एंगल इन अ लीनियर पेयर आर ऑलवेज, वो हर बार सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल होता है. व्हाई? बिकॉज सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल इज ऑलवेज 180 डिग्री. एंड व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एंगल इन अ लीनियर पेयर? कॉमन आर्म होता है, बट अदर आर्म क्या होता है? उसका फॉर्म करता है स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज एन एंगल इन अ लीनियर पेयर. Now we'll see the definition and also some more point to identify angle in a linear pair. Now you can see over here angle in a linear pair. First main point is the sum of the measure of angle in a linear pair is 180 degree. उसका measure कितना होता है? 180 degree. Now definition is what? Angle which have common arm. मैंने बताया है, देखो एक ही common arm होता है. whose other arm, उसका other arm क्या करता है? फॉर्म करता है एक स्ट्रेट लाइन, आर सेड टू बी एंगल इन अ लीनियर पेयर. एंड एंगल इन अ लीनियर पेयर आर ऑलवेज सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल. इट इज ऑलवेज विच टाइप ऑफ एंगल? इट इज ऑलवेज अ सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल. आई होप यू पीपल हैव अंडरस्टूड. Okay, now practice set 19. Now here what you are going to do? Here some things are given, you are going to listen it properly and then you have to give a possible reason or answer for that question. Now first question is, draw the pairs of angles and describe below. If that is not possible, say why. You have, that means हम लोग जब हिस्ट्री ज्योग्राफी में गिव रीजन पढ़ते हैं ना, तो यहाँ पे भी गिव रीजन टाइप ही आंसर है. ना फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल that are not adjacent. Now complementary angle, that means complementary angle is how much degree? First you tell me what is the degree of complementary angle. Very good. Complementary angle is always 90 degree. No Sugat, 180 degree is our supplementary angle. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल कितना होता है? 90 डिग्री. तो यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हियर यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द पेयर्स ऑफ एंगल. पेयर्स मीन्स जोड़ी. पेयर्स मीन्स क्या होता है, जोड़ी बनाना है. सो हियर यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ पेयर्स ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल, बट दे आर नॉट एडजेसेंट. एडजेसेंट नहीं होना चाहिए. एडजेसेंट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू इन द प्रीवियस क्लास. एडजेसेंट मीन्स सी, एडजेसेंट एंगल कैसा होता है, दिस इज एडजेसेंट एंगल. इसके साथ भी आता है, इसके साथ